Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best PC cases that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. NZXT H7 Flow. This is the NZXT H7 Flow 2024, a premium mid-tower ATX case built specifically for high airflow gaming and powerful PC builds. At around $69.99, it delivers strong value for a performance-focused airflow case with premium build quality and pre-installed fans. It comes with a fully optimized airflow design, including a high airflow front panel and support for multiple fan configurations. You get 3 pre-installed 120mm fans, which is great at this price point. A standout feature is the bottom fan support, designed to push cool air directly toward the GPU for better gaming temperatures. The case also offers excellent cable management space, making builds look clean and professional. It supports ATX motherboards, large GPUs, and multiple radiators if you prefer liquid cooling later. Pros: excellent airflow, strong build quality, includes 3 fans, great GPU cooling support, clean cable management. Cons: no RGB fans included, airflow-focused design may feel plain for RGB lovers, slightly basic aesthetics. Number 4. Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. This is the Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack, a fully modular mid-tower ATX case designed for flexible, modern PC building. At around $63.99, it's impressively affordable for a modular case that supports high-end components like ATX boards and dual radiators. The biggest standout is its Flatpack, fully modular design, making it easier to assemble and customize compared to traditional cases. It includes a pre-installed 120mm rear fan for basic airflow out of the box. You also get strong hardware support, including ATX motherboard compatibility and space for dual 280mm radiators, which is excellent for custom cooling setups. Another highlight is the vertical GPU mount support, letting you showcase your graphics card in a more premium, display-style layout. Despite its compact mid-tower form, it's built for flexible layouts and clean cable routing. Pros: very affordable, modular flat-pack design, strong motherboard and cooling support, vertical GPU option, flexible layout. Cons: only 1 pre-installed fan, airflow depends heavily on user setup, assembly can be more complex than standard cases. Number 3. InWin A3 MicroATX. This is the InWin A3 Black, a compact gaming chassis from InWin featuring a sleek tempered glass design and built-in ARGB fan. At around $131.99, it sits in the premium compact case segment, offering design-focused aesthetics and RGB features rather than budget value. The case comes with a pre-installed ARGB 120mm fan, giving you lighting effects right out of the box. It supports both air and liquid cooling, making it flexible for small but powerful builds. The tempered glass side panel showcases internal components and RGB lighting clearly, ideal for display-style setups. Its compact tower design is aimed at space-saving gaming builds, while still supporting modern hardware layouts. Rear PSU mounting helps improve internal airflow and keeps the main chamber cleaner. Despite its size, it's designed for efficient cable management and clean visual presentation. Pros: premium build quality, stylish RGB fan included, tempered glass design, compact footprint, good cooling flexibility. Cons: expensive for its size, limited included fans, compact layout can make building slightly tighter. Number 2. Thermaltake View 270 plus TG ARGB Snow. This is the Thermaltake View 270 plus TG ARGB Snow, a stylish white mid-tower case from Thermaltake built for airflow and display-focused gaming setups. At around $69.99, it offers excellent value, especially considering it includes 3 ARGB fans and premium dual tempered glass panels. This case stands out with its dual tempered glass design on the front and side, giving a full showcase view of your build. It comes with 3 pre-installed 120mm ARGB fans, providing strong airflow and lighting right away. It supports up to 360mm radiators, making it suitable for high-end liquid cooling setups. The layout supports ATX motherboards, meaning it can handle large, powerful builds. Its bottom-mounted PSU design helps keep cables clean and improves internal airflow. Overall, it balances aesthetics and cooling performance very well for its price range. Pros: great price, 3 ARGB fans included, strong airflow potential, premium glass design, supports large radiators and ATX boards. Cons: glass panels can trap heat if airflow isn't optimized, cable management needs care, fairly large footprint. Number 1. Lian Li A3-mATX. This is the Lian Li A3-mATX 26.3L, a compact modular gaming case from Lian Li designed for high-performance small form factor builds. At around $89.99, it sits in the premium compact case category, offering strong flexibility and build quality rather than pre-installed extras. This case is built around a 26.3-liter compact modular design, making it ideal for powerful small builds. It supports both MicroATX and ITX motherboards, giving more flexibility than typical mini cases. A major highlight is its 360mm AIO liquid cooling support, which is rare in compact chassis. It features front-mounted flexible PSU installation, helping optimize space and airflow layout. The design is highly modular, letting users adjust internal configuration depending on cooling or GPU size needs. It comes with no pre-installed fans, giving full freedom to customize airflow setup from scratch. Despite its size, it's built for high-end gaming performance in a minimal footprint. Pros: extremely flexible layout, supports large AIO cooling, premium build quality, compact but powerful, great for custom builds. Cons: no included fans, more expensive than basic MATX cases, requires planning for airflow setup. If you're building a compact powerhouse PC, check the link in the description for current pricing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more PC case reviews and build guides.